Hey you guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve my sleek high bun on my natural hair, and I am starting off on dirty hair. Like, my hair's been in a wash and go for a week, and then I added more gel and put it in a high puff, and girl, it's a mess. But this is what you'll be needing for this hairstyle. Just any hairband of choice. I have some bobby pins, I have my spray bottle, and I only have water in my spray bottle. And your gel of choice, I always choose Eco Styler gel. And if you choose to lay your edges, I use Gorilla Snot in my handy dandy edges toothbrush, either a soft or a hard bristle brush. I'm using a hard bristle brush, and of course my handy dandy scarf that I use in every single video. So the first thing I'm going to do is spritz my hair to make it easier to work with, and then I'm going to also spritz my brush so that it glides on my hair a little bit easier. So now I'm just going to brush up my hair a little bit just to kind of get it in formation of where I want it to be. Also make sure you guys get the back, you know, get them peas, girl. So I'm using a good amount of Eco Styler gel to smooth down my hair, because you want to get your hair as sleek and smooth as possible for this desired look. And then I'm going to use my brush to brush it in just to get it as smooth as possible. And then guys, like I said, make sure you get that kitchen, girl, okay? No peeves in this kitchen. Okay, so now I'm just going to take the little side parts out. I still don't know what these are called, my little curly cues or whatever. So I'm going to take a side out on each side, or a part out on each side. And then I'm going to secure it with my mouth so that it's out of the way for when I'm pulling up my hair for the ponytail. So I'm going to use my hands to get my hair on like the very top of my head. And then I'm going to use a brush again to just kind of brush it up, because I want to make sure this is as smooth as possible, no flyaways. Try to get rid of like the little kinky look. So I'm going to use my hair band, and I'm going to double it up like so. And then I'm going to tie it around my head once. And here I'm going to not use both loops. I'm only going to use one. And I'm going to wrap it around, and I'm going to tie it over again. But instead of tying it over the entire puff, you're going to make it lay on the edge of your hair, like so. You see that right there? I'm not tying it over the whole thing, but I'm kind of securing it, and some of my hair I'm keeping it captive on the bottom so that it won't turn into a puff, but it'll be a bun. So now we're going to take our bobby pins, and we're just going to stick them in wherever our hair didn't quite make the cut. If you have any flyaways on top of the bun, just stick it in to secure it so that your hair is not looking crazy and it's all looking as uniform as possible. So I'm going to take my little side pieces and dampen them with water, and then I'm just going to use some gel to define those curls a little bit, and there we go. So I'm going to do that to both sides. So I'm going to speed past this part. I'm going to be doing up my edges with my Gorilla Snot and my hair toothbrush, like I said before. Nothing you guys haven't seen before, just pulling the hair down and swooping it back with my fake baby hairs as usual. So now I'm going to take my satin scarf and I'm going to wrap it around. And I like to leave my scarf on for like 20 minutes because my hair likes to just pop up during the day, sis. Like, no, what are you doing? So I'm going to leave that on, and then 20 minutes later, or maybe a little bit more actually, I don't know. So I'm taking it off, and then this is pretty much the finished look, you guys. So it's really quick, really simple, really easy. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in my next one.